What's up, my name is Technoba here for Troubleshoot and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be covering a rather obscure topic, but if you came searching for it, this is exactly what you're looking for. If you're using Google Sheets for any reason, oftentimes you'll end up with a very long sheet that's quite annoying to scroll to the very bottom whenever you'd like to add a single element. This is a complete list of every video I've uploaded to my channel over the past 2 to 3 years or so, and I come back to this almost every day and add a new video to it. However, scrolling to the very bottom of this file does take some time and it can be quite annoying. What exactly can we do to automate jumping to the very bottom of our sheet, or at least make it easier? Well, scrolling up to the top, the simplest way to get to the bottom is to click anywhere on the sheet, hold Control, and then hit the down arrow to jump to the very last element. As such, you can of course use Control Up to get to the very first element, though if you're someone like me with a floating header, it won't go anywhere, but it'll select the very top one, which can be a bit annoying. Hitting down once will take us to the second item, but that is still relatively annoying. This video is focusing on getting to the bottom of the sheet as quickly as possible. If you're someone who's comfortable with just holding Control and hitting the down arrow, that's cool. You can of course leave this video now, but if you'd like to automate this, there's a very simple way. If I were to simply refresh this sheet, being at the very top, you'll notice something very interesting. I'll leave my hands off my keyboard, and eventually you'll see it just simply drops to the very bottom of the file, right over there. How did I accomplish this? Well, it's through the use of a simple script. To demonstrate, I'll go ahead and create a new sheet. I'll go ahead and enter some sample data, and I'll simply just spread this through about, say, 1,000 columns. Cool, so now you have a very long sheet that's not necessarily fun to scroll to the bottom in. What can we do? At the very top, simply click Tools, and then click Script Editor. Now you'll see something like this. File, code.js, and a function over here. In the description down below, you'll find a block of text. Simply copy it and paste it into here, replacing everything. Yours will then look something like this. All that you have to do is click Save, and you can give your project a name up here, though you don't necessarily have to. I'll usually call it something like Auto Scroll to Bottom as such. After doing this, you can simply close this tab and head back to your style sheet. Upon hitting F5 to refresh, you should notice something interesting. After a couple of seconds, when this working icon vanishes and the sheet finishes loading, you'll eventually see that it should drop to the bottom. There we go, it took some time to load through everything, but now it eventually jumped to the very bottom automatically. The only issue about this method is that it's not necessarily instant, where if I refresh the page and hit Control down, even before it's finished loading, it'll take us to the bottom very quickly. It's not exactly perfect, but it does what it needs to do. I'm usually someone who opens up this page, among others, whenever I'm uploading videos, so time isn't necessarily of the essence. If you're someone who opens up a sheet and needs to get to the bottom as soon as possible, using the Control down arrow key would be the fastest. Why exactly the script takes some time to go through to the very bottom of the file is beyond me. Maybe for someone out there watching this video, you'll know of a better way, or eventually you'll figure out a better way. If you do, make sure to come back to this video and leave a comment down below, as it would be very helpful to not only me, but to other users if you find a way to get to the bottom even quicker. But regardless, that's 2 ways of getting to the bottom quickly, one way automated and one way not. That's about it for this video. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Technoba here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!